Many aspiring programmers open their code editor, stare at the screen, and close it minutes later. This cycle repeats. It's not laziness, it's a lack of sustainable habits. What most developers need isn't more motivation, it's better systems. Most people don't quit coding because it's hard. They quit because they have skill issue. Yeah, that's right. Ha 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 ha, just kidding. They quit because they can't stay consistent. They binge tutorials but rarely build. Miss one day, then two, and it snowballs. There's this quote from the book Atomic Habits, and it says, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." Let's break down 4 atomic habits that may help aspiring programmers build lasting consistency. Make it obvious. Hoping to find time to code doesn't work. Set a specific time and place for coding. Use a visible cue, like a sticky note on your monitor or an alarm, to signal it's coding time. Open your editor in advance. Make it attractive. Coding can feel intimidating. Make it something you look forward to. Pair your coding session with a reward, a snack, music, or your favorite show. Work on projects that excite you, like games, tools, or creative apps. Joining a coding group or Discord server can boost motivation through accountability. Make it easy. The most common mistake? Setting unrealistic goals and overwhelming ourselves. Instead, try this simple trick, the 2-minute rule. Just commit to opening your code editor and writing one single line of code. That's all. Once you get started, you'll usually want to continue coding. Begin with small, simple projects. They're much easier to complete and give you quick wins to celebrate. Make it satisfying. Make your progress visible. Use a wall calendar, habit tracker, or checklist. Each time you code, check off a box. This creates a satisfying loop. The more you see your streak, the more motivated you feel to continue. Share your progress on social platforms like GitHub or X to make it public and encouraging. A powerful shift happens when you start seeing yourself as a coder, not just someone who is learning to code. It's about becoming the kind of person who codes every day, even for a few minutes. Build your identity around consistent actions, not perfect outcomes. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need massive motivation.
And you know what else is massive?
My coding skill issue. What you need is momentum. Small, consistent habits are what turn beginners into experienced developers. Like, subscribe, and share this if it helped.